In the heart of Southeast Asia, Malaysia embarked on a transformative journey with the Dasar Ekonomi Baru, or New Economic Policy, a bold initiative aimed at redressing economic disparities and fostering national unity. From 1971 to 1990, this policy sought to uplift the Bumiputeras, the indigenous population, through a series of government interventions. The DEB's legacy is a tale of contrasts. On one hand, it propelled Malaysia towards significant economic growth and enhanced Bumiputera participation in education, employment, and economic activities. State-owned enterprises emerged, becoming pillars of the Malaysian economy. Yet, the policy was not without its detractors. Critics pointed to a culture of dependency, crony capitalism, and an ethnic wealth gap that remained stubbornly wide. The very fabric of the DEB, intended to weave unity, was questioned for potentially marginalizing ethnic groups and not fully bridging regional disparities. Today, the conversation turns to evolution and evidence-based approaches. The call is for needs-based policies that transcend ethnicity, targeting assistance to the underprivileged of all communities. This shift aims to balance affirmative action with meritocracy and inclusive growth, ensuring that Malaysia's socio-economic development does not entrench entitlement but rather fosters unity. For a deeper understanding of the DEB's objectives, its impacts, and the path forward, resources like Malaysia Kini and iLabor offer comprehensive analyses, inviting us to reflect on the policy's role in shaping the nation's future.